Wonder they said shall never end. You people remember this lady called Chioma baby, who posted a video of one young man that is under depression in Italy. And he also went ahead and said that he's going to do everything to send this guy back to Nigeria. As we dey talk right now, they say this lady no do anything. He no even send the boy go back to Nigeria. Even money where people contribute, Chioma no bring am come outside, even send to the family or to use that money to help this boy to make sure say he dey okay. Now, one community for inside Italy don come outside, say they go help this boy get justice from Chioma hand. As we dey talk right now, they don carry this case go woman right. The woman right now don say make they carry the case go criminal court of Milan. Na there they go dey judge this matter. And this human right come give condition, say that who should pass this message give Chioma. If Chioma did not look for a way to contact the family of this boy and make sure that he used this money the people contributed for her to help this Odinaka, that they are going to proceed in this case. No be small thing o. Na so people go just dey, they go enter inside wahala wey they no know how they go come inside. Chioma, my message for you, this one no be saga wey they do with Nigeria people. Now na here where you dey, now you go do the saga. So I'm advising you to make sure you reach out to the person or the people you have to reach out to make sure say this Odinaka use this money for the purpose, and also show the people that you have done what they ask you to do. Because this human rights organization based in Milano are taking you to criminal court is not going to be a good thing for you. See Kiri. Number one, you make this boy a video without his permission. Number two, you brought this boy to the internet and say all kind of things. They have all evidence. Number three, they have where people are saying they are going to help. People are making all kind of offer what they will do. They have all this evidence before you. So I'm advising Chioma baby to make sure that he use this money people bring out. And they also ask one thing in this letter they sent to us. They say that if you know that you contributed money to help this particular man called Odinaka, you should come forward and say it. Make a video and tell them how much you bring so that they will use to help this particular guy called Odinaka. So I'm going to show you the video of the guy that we're talking about. You'll be watching it on the background. I'm going to show you the video of the guy we are talking about. So this is what we have to tell this lady called Chioma baby. So the human rights organization in Milan is threatening to take this matter to the criminal court in Milan also. So Chioma, I hope you get this message and act immediately. And they say they give you 24 hours from you seeing this video and making this video around 2 o'clock in Italy time, 2 o'clock Italian time. So make sure that you reach out to whether they are brothers, you know who people you contact with. So make sure you reach out to them and find a way to resolve this whole thing immediately. So I will show you the video, the place where Chioma they use this guy, they make joke. After he don't collect money from people hand, say he want help him. The next thing where Chioma come outside to tell us say he want go prank Odinaka. Just watch wetin this woman they do. The next thing is start they do this boy video. They show say see am, he dey thief oh, he dey do this one oh, he dey do this one oh. No one help this boy, and after he don't collect money. So I'm calling those who contributed this money to come forward immediately. Identify yourself, because your mind now you have helped somebody, but the person you send the money to eat that money without fulfilling your heart desire. Was saying, I know that you want to help, but this woman called Chioma baby or whatever he call himself, living in Torino, in close to Potasusa. So we know his address. We cannot disclose it here, but let that human rights organization take care of this particular issue. So if Chioma refuse to contact the right people you're supposed to contact about this thing, maybe you find himself in criminal court of Milan. So I'm going to put the video what he said is going to do Odinaka, this is the help. It will only help Odinaka is to prank Odinaka. Then I'm going to show you the video of Odinaka in Torino. I'm going to show you in current video now for you to see that if you want to help somebody, you will help the person. So later I will update you people the situation of Odinaka right now as we are talking. Odinaka himself don't talk so many things wey Chioma no, we go implicate am more for inside court. Stay tuned and watch the videos before we come back and continue.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good morning, everybody. So, today, him and I'm going to first time need to watch me. Please like and share. Him and I'm going to major prank Odinaka. So, I prepare some. Nke a bụ ihe mmebu wee je prank Odinaka. Ka anyị mara nke a bụ banko. Ihe onyinyo. So, anyị chọrọ ka m prank ya ka m mara ihe ọ ya art. So I'm now warm with the food or the hot. Carry wedge and now warm with the soup. So uru fofo no boom. So kaije malo kai plank ya Odinaka kai malo iyo yeme. So tikwa na prayer tia na ekpere kai malo iyo yeme. So my body today. See the bitter leaf. Let me talk about more with the two belly because only not bonine. So here can you do it? So can malo reaction ya. Malo to yes where me. So kai prepare so kai mal reaction Odinaka malo your at because I test some of the test malo be mobile. So follow me, like and share Odinaka I change a prank Odinaka kai malo. Remember now go na many ago. Na many. So na fear. I am be arrange. But let's go. Please share and like. I just prank one of our brother. So kai malo reaction yao. Malo no ye tipia yanya. Kono ye tipia yanya. I want to gaba. So the first thing I will do, Bugene, Doinka, Jawatalo Jakam, Major with 3 ego. But let's go.
We were there, Megan. We were there, boy. Okay,
Okay, guys, this video you just watched is when Odinaka's brothers visited him in Torino. You understand? Then I'm going to show you the current video of Odinaka right now, and I'll also show you another video of him as well. So if this woman actually want to help this brother, he know what to do to help this brother, but just that he have his own interest of taking money from people, I did not do anything. So if you contributed money to help this guy, please come forward with it. It's going to pay everything you people spend or you people contributed to help this our brother. So share this video and tag this Chioma baby. Share this video and tag her immediately.
Ọ na-etinye sịga n'ahụ, ọ na-efi isi akpaka akpaka ka ọkụkọ.